Welcome back. I'm Crypto Mystery Cash and this is my channel. So please watch this video until the end. Subscribe to the channel and like if you want. So uh, uh, you can see some of the latest project if you want to see. Today I'm going to represent, of course, a free crypto airdrop on already listed token. So you can see some of the latest projects and rather free or for investment. You're free to see. So I definitely today I have a free crypto airdrop, like I said, to represent. It's the Quokka token. So basically, you can claim the free crypto airdrop, and this free crypto airdrop is not just a $10. You can claim daily. You can have bounty rewards, so much. Even you can buy this token. So he's already listed. So but they making their own exchange. Sorry, my recorder is constantly crashing because I don't have network. I will try to not jump from one page to another because this is my I don't know how much attempts to make this video. So just the steps are very easy. To the 1500 clock, it's very easy. Just join the Telegram group, follow and retweet the CocoSwap on Twitter, like and follow CocoSwap on Facebook, and just subscribe to their YouTube channel. After that, you need just to pass the links here, and that's it. Just claim reward, and after one day the tokens will be on your account. So the tokens are in my account, but like I said, I have problem with the recorder. So I joined it before one day. I just claim the reward. So here is the daily rewards. You can claim 30 Quokka token every 24 hours. Znači, means two claims per every 24 hours. Every 12 hours you can claim 15. And here is the bounty rewards. So some of you can start invite people and even subscribe to the coin market cap. You can claim some free Quokka tokens. So this free crypto airdrop is pretty simple. You can just claim the daily claimings, and this of course this airdrop will be here for a month or something. And until then, if you try to reach the minimum from 5,000, which is $60, you can withdraw, and then they will launch their own exchange. So there you can swap, earn and trade with Quokka swap token. So until then you can just claim the daily rewards and claim some from the bounty rewards, or even if you want to buy this token, I don't know. So but basically you can claim for free. So on the main page, after they launch their exchange, you can launch the app, and here on the app, in their app, basically their exchange who they will launch, you can trade, swap, even stake their token to earn even more. So, but until then, we will have time, maybe a month or something, to claim daily and to try to uh, earn more from some bounty rewards or inviting people. I just claimed this airdrop, and it's in my wallet. So, but the minimum for withdraw is 5,000 Quokka tokens. So, uh, this is basically all. This free crypto airdrop is pretty simple. Just need to claim the daily rewards, and that's it. And after pressing the button, the finishing all the tasks and pressing the button for claim reward, after one day the 1500 will be on your account. So uh, that is basically all. Like I said, I have problem with the recorder. I will try not to jump from one place to another because the video will crash. So you can explore the platform. It's pretty simple. So if you have some question, come to my Telegram group. uh, Maybe I will provide you some help. Bye guys, until the next video for tomorrow or the